Good morning dear student. This is the grammar class of 5th standard. Today we are going to learn new topic. That topic name is nouns, collective and abstracts. Okay, this is the 5th lesson. Dear students, look here. Today we are going to learn what is meant by the collective noun. Collective noun. Collective noun. Collective noun which describe. Collective nouns means which describe groups of things, groups of animals, and it also refer to groups of peoples. Okay, what is meant by the collective nouns means it's in short group of things. Group of things. Remember this. Group of things. That is called collective noun in short. Okay, group of things, animals, or it also refers sometimes group of people, groups of. Remember this. Okay, and that is called collective noun. For example, look here: a herd of cows, bouquet of flowers. Look here, it is a collective noun. Bouquet. Remember this. The spelling is B-O-U-Q-U-E-T. Though it is pronounced as bouquet of flowers. Flowers. Okay, the flowers collected in a group, that is called bouquet, and when the cows come together in group, that is called a herd. Remember this. This is the collective noun. And the next one is audience. It is also a collective noun. Band, collective noun. Family, collective noun. Committee, it is also collective noun. Then group, it is also collective noun. Government, also collective noun. Team, collective noun. Troop, collective noun. And also team, troop, these are the collective nouns. Okay. A class of students. A class of students. Look here. A class of students. It is a collective noun. An example of a flock. A flock of sheep. Remember this. Then a crew. A crew of sailors. Remember this. This is a collective noun which shows the collectiveness or group of something. That is sailors, which lives in sea. Okay. An army of ants. Remember this. An army of ants. Now these words tell us. That there are many members in the room. Okay. These words like audience, band, family, committee, group, government, team, troop. These all words tell us that there are many members in the group. Okay? In family, there are many members like Papa, Mummy. You can write here mom also, grandfather, grandmother, brother, sister, cousin. Like this, many members. Remember this in one word, that is family. Many members in the group. A word that is family. It is a collective noun. Okay, and these collective noun include many members like Papa, Mom, grandfather, grandmother, brother, sister, cousins, aunt, uncle. Like this, you can easily understand what is meant by the family. It is a collective noun. Collective noun means ऐसा जो वर्ड है, ऐसा जो नाउन है जिसमें बहुत सारे थिंग्स एक कॉमनली आते हैं विद ग्रुप के साथ आते हैं. ओके. नाउ लुक हियर द एग्जांपल. नेक्स्ट वीक ड्यूरिंग द कार्निवल मींस फेस्टिवल. रिमेंबर दिस. नेक्स्ट वीक ड्यूरिंग द कार्निवल a band of musicians is going to play in the main square. In main square musicians, that means which play the organs or instruments. Remember this, a band of musicians is going to play in the band square, and a band of musicians, it is a collective noun. Remember this. Okay, now collective nouns can be singular or plural. Collective nouns can be a singular or plural. Look here, a band of musicians is, look here, is, it shows that it is a singular noun. Sometimes collective nouns used as a singular and sometimes is used as plurals. Okay, then next, if the members of the group are acting together, the members of the group are acting together, doing the same thing at the same time, acting together, doing the same thing and at same time, they treat the collective noun as singular. When the collective noun act or treat as a singular, when the members of the group are acting together, doing the same thing together at the same time, then treat the collective noun, that time only treat that collective noun as a singular. जब हमें कैसे पता चलेगा कि कलेक्टिव नाउन सिंगुलर है? कि जब कोई सिंगुलर कलेक्टिव नाउन क्या होता है, समूहवाचक नाम, कि एक साथ काम करता है, एक्टिंग टुगेदर, डूइंग द सेम थिंग, और एक ही काम करता है, डूइंग द सेम थिंग एट द सेम टाइम, और एक ही समय पर करता है, उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? कलेक्टिव नाउन को सिंगुलर कहा जाता है. रिमेंबर दिस. इफ द members of the group are acting together, doing the same thing at the same time, then treat the collective noun as a singular. Okay, I hope that you will get this point. Now the next one, if the members of the group seems to be acting separately. Now this one, acting separately. Okay, when the members of the group acting separately, this one, and doing the different things, they are doing not same things, they doing different things, and then treat the collective noun as plural, and that time only you can treat the collective noun as a plural. Remember this, acting separately and different things, doing different things, that time only you can use collective noun as a plural. Okay, then for example, class 5th, remember this, class 5th A are going to do their projects. Remember this, class 5th A are going to do their projects. Here class 5th A, in class 5th A there are many students, so that they use here plural word. Remember this, plural word, because in class 5th A there are many students, so they can use here plural, so that it is a collective noun. I hope that you will understand the whole things related with collective nouns. What is meant by the collective nouns? Collective nouns means a group of things, animals, or it refers also groups of peoples, and the all things related with collective nouns. The remaining part of this lesson we will see in next video. Thank you.